Hello and welcome to the news button. India has got another fast, and this time, an underwater metro train. The metro train has made a historic debut in Kolkata, the city of joy. Commuters are ecstatic. The ride is fascinating as much as the experience is groundbreaking. The metro line passes beneath the Hooghly River, connecting the twin cities of Kolkata and Howrah. So you have that thrill, that surreal experience of being underwater while galloping in your boat towards your destination. The project is another first from Kolkata. After the iconic Kolkata trams became operational in 1880, some 120 years before the trend setting Delhi Metro came up to revolutionize the modes of transport. The Kolkata underwater metro service operates on the Howrah maidan-esplanade section of the east-west metro corridor in Kolkata. The section had the first transportation tunnel under any mighty river in India. You must be wondering how deep it could be. How much depth would allow the project to run a train under the river bed? Well, when it comes to depth, the underwater metro tunnel reaches a maximum depth of 30 meters, which translates to approximately 98 feet below the river bed. Not surprisingly, we have the deepest metro station in India here, and it is located at Howrah. The inaugural day raised a lot of euphoria as hundreds of passengers erupted into jubilation as the first train started to roll. The Howrah Maidan station witnessed loud cheers and claps from the commuters, while another train started cruising from the Esplanade station simultaneously. To avail this unique experience, commuters thronged the station early in the morning, eager to be part of this historic moment. Long queues for tickets were witnessed as authorities greeted eager passengers with road stamps. Many expressed excitement about the project, reminiscing about the construction work that transformed their commute. For many, witnessing the completion of this under-river project was a dream come true. Young passengers kissed their tickets and took group selfies with friends. The underwater metro not only enhances connectivity but also adds a touch of wonder to Kolkata's transportation landscape. If you know any similar underground rail system that passes under a river, you can let us know in the comment section. Before leaving, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching.